A particle of mass m is driven by a machine that delivers a constant power of k watts. If the particle starts from rest, the force on the particle at time t will be equal to. Now understand that the power will be given as F into V. Okay, at any point it will be given as F into V. Now there is a constant value of power which is equal to K, M into A into V. Now this part can be written as K will be equal to M, V, acceleration can be written as dV by dt. Okay, so K dt will be equal to mv dv. When I integrate on both the sides, on the left hand side, understand that the power remains constant. So it will be equal to K into T will be equal to mv square divided by 2. Okay. Now the limits over here of v square is 0 to v because the particle starts from rest. Okay. So basically I can say that kt will be equal to half mv square. Okay. Now the final velocity at that point will be equal to, or v square will be equal to 2k by m. Okay. V square will be equal to 2k by m into t, or v will be equal to root 2k by m into root t. Now why am I writing the root t separately? You will understand over here. So I got the final velocity. I want to calculate the force. The force will be equal to m dv by dt. Okay, the force will be equal to m dv by dt. It will be equal to m into differentiation. The differentiation of dt. Okay, the instead of v I will write this as root of 2k divided by m into root t. Okay, into root t. So basically it will be equal to m will be taken inside the bracket. It will be root of 2k m square. Okay, if I take this m inside the bracket, it will be equal to m square divided by m. Okay, this is a constant value, so I am taking it out of the derivative. Derivative of root t will be equal to 1 by 2 root t. Okay, 1 by 2 root t. Okay, so basically it will be equal to 1 by 2 root t. So it will be equal to root of 2km divided by 4 into t. Okay, 4 into t. So this will be equal to last step km divided by 2. Okay, or mk divided by 2 into 1 by root t. Now 1 by root t can be written as t raised to minus half, which is option number C.